Hey guys, in today's video I will show you how you install an F connector uh, with the coaxial cable. Here, as you are seeing, this is a coaxial cable RG6U coaxial cable. This is a coaxial cable, and what you have to do is first you peel the plastic cover, the outer cover, and after that, by using this tool, you will peel off the outer white cover. This is the outer white cover. You will peel off like this, and this is the positive terminal, or this is the positive wire, whereas this are the negative wires. They carry negative voltage. This wire carries positive voltage ranging from 1 3 volt up to 1 8 volt. 1 3 volt for the vertical polarization, and 1 8 volt for the horizontal polarization. And you will put this F connector by becoming careful not this positive terminal not to touch with the negative terminal. You will put it like this. You will use some amount of force in order to push that. Be careful this wire. After that, you have to see this. This is the as you are seeing this is the positive wire. This while this is the negative wire. This positive wire must not touch this negative wire. And at the second side, or at the next side, you will do the same thing. You peel the outer black cover from this, and these are the negative side. And the same way, you will peel this white cover. You will peel this white cover from that. You will peel this white cover from that, and be careful not to touch or not to connect this positive wire and those negative metal sheets. And in the same way, you will put this F connector. Here also you need some amount of force. Finish it. You have made this cable successful. It's ready for usage. Thank you guys.